Hello again, my Bare Beauties. As I mentioned in my last video, I am going to be doing a little bit of a how-to on using the Volero brush. And just for the sake of the video, since I don't have the gommage that comes with the brush, I'll be using a little bit of the Enzymo Spheride Peeling Cream from Pavonia that I have. So to use this brush and this gommage, I'm simply just gonna take a little bit, hopefully there's some in here. I'm just gonna take a little bit here and I'm just gonna smear it right on my face here. I'm just gonna get a little bit of water. Just to smear it around on the skin and just get everything nice and coated. And get the skin nice and wet. And then I'm gonna just rinse off my hands really quick. And I'm gonna use the soft side of my Volero here. And you're just gonna start up on the forehead and just do circular motions. Circular motions in an upward position. I like to start on my forehead. And then make sure you get your nose too. And especially the corners of your nose. That's really important. And do the cheeks and the jawline. And just for video purposes, I probably won't do this the full 3 minutes. I always like to tuck my lower lip in when I do the chin, just to make sure I get in the crease. And that basically is the gist of it. And then I'm just gonna take my towel here. And of course you can just rinse off with your face over a sink. And just give it a good rinse. And then of course to finish off, you can apply any of your serums or your moisturizer in the order in which you should be doing it. And for today, I'm just gonna be using my Bion Tinted Sunscreen. It's an SPF 35. I'm gonna be going on a walk. It's a really nice day today, thank goodness. After all that rain and clouds, it's so nice to have some sunshine. So I'm just gonna put on my SPF 35 just to make sure I'm protected. Always making sure to get it up into your hairline, back in your ears, and down on your neck too. So that's basically how you would use your Volero. Again, I shortened it for the sake of the video, but you do want to use it for the full 3 minutes when you use the gommage, or if you're using it for the cleanser on your skin as well. Because like I said, you don't have to use the gommage if you don't want to. You can simply use this when you cleanse your skin. But if you do use the gommage, basically apply it to the skin, get it a little bit of wet, and then make sure it's evenly spread out, and then use your Volero for the full 3 minutes. Rinse and then apply sunscreen or other skin products before your sunscreen, as you should. Anyway, if you have any other questions on how to use it, please reach out, let me know, and I'll see you soon.